Welcome back to Whinnybank Cat Sanctuary, to a new episode. I'm featuring a new arrival today. There's Garfield and Big Feet. Hello. These emergency metal pen was donated by Wilson Vets in Cooper. They come really handy. We've got like a sort of toy storage area there, and the bottom one we use for small kitten arrivals. Let me introduce you to Baloo. Oh, Baloo, look at you. Baloo is roughly 10 weeks old and is a silver tabby and white. Unfortunately, the child had a reaction and got breathing difficulties. It's quite common now. So she's gone from the breeders to a nice home. Now she's here at the sanctuary. So we have to find her another home. Aren't you gorgeous? Yes. As you can see, she's been here 10 minutes and you're really settled, haven't you? You can't go anywhere. We were thinking of possibly put them in with this lot. And, oh, excuse me, I've got a scapie. And one was growling, so we'll just keep her separated for now. You are gorgeous. Yes, you are. And you know it, don't you? So, named after a Jungle Book character. Oh, she's off again. Obviously, she doesn't like her accommodation. Come on, let me get this toy. There you go. Start playing. Okay. She loves Felix Kitten, and she's on Sheba as well, Kitten at the moment. I don't think she's got to be here long. We'll find her a super home. Yes. Sorry, it's a wee bit dark in here at the moment. It's raining outside. Yeah. Alright. She just wants to make friends with someone else. Alright. Okie dokie. She can't get out. We're actually in a pen. Aww. Garfield's come to say hello. She's not even bothered, Mum. Yeah. Oh, she's in the biscuits. Is that a good thing? No, I don't think that might be. She's in the whisker biscuits. You get upset tummy. Yes, she will get upset tummy. Food that you're not used to. They might be nice. And of course, you know they're there now. So we have got a smart kitten by the looks of it. Come on. Very smart kitten. No, definitely not. No. Right. You've got to stay there. No, sorry. Anyway, if you can give this little tyke a home. Come on. It's all legs. We can give this tyke a home. As you can see, she's got to be a world of trouble. Yes, you can have biscuits. You have to come in. That's it. I've got some biscuits here. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, have those biscuits. Those biscuits are good for you. Oh, yes. I'll turn around so we can see you eating. There you go. Yeah. So what kind of biscuits are these? Science diet kitten food. And obviously they must be tasty. They're not even touching the sides. Crunch. I think she'd get on with other cats. She's shown a little bit of interest. No aggression. And she's a rapid eater by the looks of it. Anyway, I'll leave her in peace. Well, thanks for watching. If you like these videos, please subscribe. I'd like to say a big thank you to our overseas viewers from America and Japan. And anywhere else in the world, just leave us a comment. It'd be great to hear from you. Please give a thumbs up, because that puts the video up the listings. Thanks.